From the frozen steppes of Mongolia to the wild plateaus of South America, vast herds move like flowing currents of white and dark brown. Behind that peaceful scene lies a large-scale livestock farming models that generates exceptional economic value. It is not only a global source of meat, milk and wool, but also a stable income that sustains millions of farming households. Follow us as we explore unique livestock farms, where nature and humans come together to create something truly extraordinary. Sheep farms, while highly profitable, still face challenges in optimizing operational costs. Caring for the animals requires significant effort, from shearing and vaccinations to herd management, along with high feed expenses, especially when the sheep are raised entirely within farm enclosures. To address this, many farms have adopted a mixed grazing model, making use of natural pastures to cut costs and help the sheep grow healthier. Free-range grazing allows sheep to move naturally, develop stronger muscles, and build better immunity, while also easing the burden of feed costs. Rotational grazing enhances pasture utilization, improves plant diversity, and increases the potential for higher livestock density. In this type of farming model, white clover Trifolium repens is not only a highly nutritious feed, but also an invaluable ally. With its high protein content and excellent digestibility, this plant helps sheep to grow faster, improves the quality of both meat and milk, and reduces reliance on expensive industrial feed sources. Here, highly trained sheepdogs play an indispensable role in the management system. To ensure safety and maintain effective control over the flock, sturdy steel fences are built, stretching all the way to the horizon, scientifically dividing each grazing area. Dividing a 45-hectare pasture into 3 15-hectare sections allows for more effective grazing management. The pasture is not reserved for sheep alone. It's also a haven for herds of wild goats. The combination of sheep and goats, roaming vast open fields, is not only a smart choice, but also an effective livestock strategy. While sheep leisurely graze on low-lying grass, goats nimbly up to higher leaves, making full use of the natural food sources. This not only supports sustainable pasture maintenance, but also minimizes competition between the two species, optimizing available resources. This model not only increases productivity, but also fosters a sustainable livestock ecosystem. Sheep raised under this model produced significantly higher quality wool compared to those kept in confined farm settlings. The ideal time for shearing is usually in spring or early summer, when warmer weather helps prevent the sheep from getting cold after their wool is harvested. The process of harvesting wool requires skill and professional technique to ensure the sheep are not harmed and the wool remains in optimal condition. Wool is not only a key material in the textile industry, but is also widely used in the production of high-end products, such as merino wool, wool blankets, and thermal jackets. In the lamb meat processing industry, worker safety is always a top priority, especially when operating high-power cutting equipment. Workers use two advanced sensor technologies, a body sensor system, and glove sensors which detect contact with the saw blade, and immediately trigger a shutdown in less than 15 milliseconds. The lamb meat is then divided into various cuts, to meet the diverse demands of the market. Premium cuts such as tenderloin, lamb chops, and leg of lamb are carefully processed, to ensure top quality and maximum freshness. After sorting, the meat cuts are thoroughly cleaned and processed using rapid freezing technology to preserve their flavor and nutritional value. Each packaged product is clearly labeled expiration date and food safety standards. In this livestock model, goat milk plays a significant role in building a stable economy for farmers. More than just a daily consumer product, goat milk is the result of meticulous care, standardized harvesting processes, and exceptional nutritional value. After being thoroughly filtered, the goat milk is poured into large stainless steel tanks and gently heated to temperature of around 32 to 35 degrees Celsius. Here, the cheesemaker adds probiotics and rennet, a natural enzyme that helps the milk coagulate. As the milk begins to coagulate, the cheesemaker uses a long stirring tool to gently break up the curdled structure. Once the goat milk has coagulated into a soft mass, a rotating machine stirs it evenly, or uses special cutting blades to break the curd into uniformly sized granules. This allows the whey to drain more easily, resulting in firmer cheese that is easier to shape. After shaping, the cheese is salted, not only to enhance its flavor, but also to extend its shelf life, develop its distinctive aroma, and from the smooth outer rind characteristics of goat cheese. Our journey through the sheep and goats farm comes to an end, leaving us with a lasting impression of a humble yet deeply dedicated way of farming. See you on our next adventures.